Welcome to JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Panerai Luminor GMT Power Reserve 44 millimeters. The model number is PAM 01321 or PAM 1321. No need for the leading 0. So this dial is the case is 44 millimeters in diameter, made of AISI 316L brushed steel along the sides and on the lugs. The bezel is polished steel, and the back has a see-through sapphire crystal that allows you to see the movement as well. Alright, the functions allow you to essentially set the time using this very protected crown. So in order to set the time, simply lower the lever, pull the crown out, and now you can set the hour, and pulling it all the way out allows you to change the minute hand. Also notice that this is a GMT model, so that means that as you move the minute hand, you also move the time for the GMT hand, which is used typically to measure the Greenwich Mean Time, which is effectively the time zone from which all other time zones are calculated. Also note that once I pulled out the crown all the way, it actually moved the small seconds hand at the 9 o'clock position to the 0, or the 12 o'clock position. This is to ensure that when you set the minute hand, you can set it to a specific minute and then push it all the way back in and it will start up again. Also, note on the dial as well that there is a power reserve up to 72 hours, as stated earlier. Right now it is about 3/4 of the way wound, and so when you undo the latch on the right side, you can actually, in the very first position, wind the watch, and notice that as I wind the watch, the dial for the power reserve is actually going up. So this watch is actually quite useful in that you can actually see how much power is left as the watch very slowly unwinds throughout the 72 hours. The strap is the alligator strap with yellow stitching on top and on bottom, and it has typical Tang buckle with the Panerai logo on it. Alright, the movement for this watch is the automatic mechanical P9012 caliber, executed entirely by Panerai, 13 3/4 lines, 6 millimeters thick, 31 jewels, a glucidator balance with 28,800 alternations per hour with an Inca block anti-shock. So that allows you to effectively keep the time in any environment. The power reserve is 3 days or 72 hours. It has 2 barrels and the seconds reset device, as stated earlier. When you pull out the crown all the way, it resets the second hand at the 9 o'clock position, all totaling to 231 components. Alright, so let's try this one on. Note that the straps allow you to size a watch to any size wrist. I'll do this one a little bit looser. Alright, and there you have it. That's how it looks on a wrist. The dial at 44 millimeters does seem a bit big, and that's due to the lugs and all the extra corners, as well as the large crown protector on the right side. Now keep in mind that this coloration for the index markers and the hour and minute hands is actually reminiscent of back when luminescence was actually applied using radioactive materials, and so over time after, half-life has been passed, they all took on this orange tint. And so very many watches that have this sort of color on the index and minute and hour hands actually is reminiscent of that era of watches. Now if I turn out the lights, you can actually see that the dial glows very brilliantly. All of the index hour markers, the minute hand, hour hand, as well as the small seconds dial, hand, and the GMT hand as well at the 7 o'clock position actually glows as well. The power reserve also glows. So who is this watch for? This watch is for anyone who is keeping track of time in multiple time zones. Perhaps you can set the GMT hand to, say, like an international company or international country, such as somewhere in Africa, Europe, Asia, wherever you happen to be in the world. And then you can set your hour and minute hands to the local time, wherever you happen to be in the world. All right, so what do you think about this watch? Let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like. Be sure to share this video, subscribe, and if you want to buy this or any other watch, visit us at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.